Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this easy beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your gents sweater, lady sweater, hat, cardigan as well. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 15 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 times 4 12 plus 1 extra stitch 13 and 2 edge stitch 15. So row 1 right side. Row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here and in back. Start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 3. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. And your last two stitch last two stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 3. Again, repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Now last two stitch, knit 1, edge stitch and in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 3. For row 3, knit edge row 1. So edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Purl 1, knit 3. Sorry. Again, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more repeat. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. And your last two stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 3. Again, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. And your last two stitch, knit 1, edge stitch and in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 5. For row 5, edge stitch, knit through the front back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, leave this one in front, right? Leave this one in front, slip 1 and knit 2. Like so. 1, 2. That's the repeat. Purl 1, leave this one in front, slip 1, knit 2. Again, purl 1, leave this one in front, slip 1 and knit 2. 1, 2. One more repeat, purl 1, leave this yarn in front, slip 1, knit 2, 1, 2. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 6, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2 and slip 2. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 2, slip 2. Again, knit 1, purl 2, slip 2. Knit 1, purl 2, slip 2. The last 2 stitches, knit 1, edge stitch, slip 1. Row 7, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 2 together, purl 1, we're going to twist these 4 stitches, these 2 to the left way, and this we're going to twist this 2 left way, we're going to bring this 2 here from the back side. So bring this 2 here from the back side, and from these 4 stitches, knit 2, knit these 2 together through the front loop. That's the repeat, purl 1 and these 3 stitches. Again, purl 1, yarn in back, twist these 4 stitches, bring this stitch here, this 2 stitch here from the back side, knit 2, knit 2 together through the front loop. Purl 1, twist this 4 to the left way, from this 4, knit 2 and knit 2 together through the front loop, and last 2 stitch, purl 1, knit 1. Row 8, last row, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, yarn in front and twist these 2, these 3, from these 3 we're going to twist these 2 to the right way. So bring this 2 here from the front side, and purl these 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat, knit 1 and these 3 stitches. Again, knit 1, and in front, bring this 2 here from the front side, and purl 2, purl 1, 3. One more repeat, knit 1, yarn in front, bring this 2 here from the front side, purl 2 and 3. Edge, last 2 stitch, knit 1 and edge stitch and in front slip. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length, and after a few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.